Have you ever wondered what the future of aviation might look like? Today's aviation sector is a marvel of modern engineering, with sleek jetliners crossing continents in mere hours, bringing people and places closer than ever before. Yet, this is just the tip of the iceberg. The future of aviation promises to be even more exciting, more advanced, and more efficient. Imagine aircraft that are not just faster but also smarter. Visualize planes that are fully autonomous, powered by artificial intelligence, and designed with eco-friendly materials. Think of aircraft that run on alternative fuels, significantly reducing their carbon footprint. The driving force behind these transformations? Technology. As technology continues to evolve at a breakneck pace, it's revolutionizing every aspect of aviation, from aircraft design to navigation systems, from fuel efficiency to passenger experience. The future of aviation is not just about transporting people from point A to point B, it's about doing it in a way that's quicker, cleaner, and smarter. With the rapid advancements in technology, the future of aviation is bound to undergo significant transformations. To appreciate the future, we must first understand the past. The tale of aircraft evolution begins in the early 20th century with the Wright brothers. Their first powered flight in 1903, a fragile contraption of wood and fabric, was a monumental leap for mankind. As the years rolled on, aviation technology soared to new heights. By the 1930s, we saw the advent of metal monoplanes, a stark contrast to the biplanes of yesteryears. Then came the 40s, a time marked by the roar of jet engines, forever changing the speed and efficiency of air travel. The dawn of the 21st century brought about the era of modern commercial jetliners, sleek and fuel-efficient giants that crisscross our skies today. Innovations like fly-by-wire systems, carbon composite materials, and high-bypass turbofan engines have made air travel safer and more efficient than ever before. From wood and fabric biplanes to advanced jet aircraft, the evolution of aircraft has been truly incredible. Now, let us delve into the world of future aircraft. Imagine cruising at speeds surpassing the sound barrier without the infamous sonic boom. That's the promise of the next generation supersonic jets, designed to redefine speed and efficiency. Next, let's look at electric planes. As the world leans towards sustainability, aviation is not left behind. Electric planes, powered by renewable energy, are not just concepts anymore. They are the reality of tomorrow, offering reduced carbon footprint and noise pollution. Finally, we have the autonomous aircraft. With advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning, planes that fly themselves are no longer a figment of sci-fi movies. They are set to revolutionize air travel, offering increased safety and efficiency. These advancements, from supersonic jets to electric planes and autonomous aircraft, are not just reshaping the aviation industry. They are redefining what is possible. These future aircraft promise an exciting and sustainable future for aviation. Let us summarize the key points about future aircraft. A major focus in the development of future aircraft is increased speed. It's not all about getting from point A to point B anymore, but how fast you can do it. However, speed is not the only factor. Improved efficiency is equally important. Future aircraft will not only be faster, but also more fuel efficient, reducing costs and environmental impact. Another key point is enhanced sustainability. As we move towards a greener future, the aviation industry is not staying behind. Future aircraft will be designed with sustainability in mind, using materials that are recyclable and renewable. Lastly, let's not forget about the passengers. Improved passenger comfort is another priority. We're talking about more spacious cabins, quieter engines, and innovative features that will make long flights more bearable. The future of aviation is not just about faster and larger aircraft, but it is also about creating a sustainable and efficient mode of transportation.
We'll be right back.